Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond Horizons. Wishing you a very happy new year 2026. In this video, I will show you how to get a 30-day trial license of DIgSILENT Powerfactory using the official DIgSILENT website. Okay, so for that, in Google or any browser that you use, type in DIgSILENT Powerfactory as I have typed in, and you search for it. Okay, you press enter, you search for it, and the first link that comes up is DIgSILENT Powerfactory applications. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I will explain the complete process step by step, starting from website navigation to downloading and installing the software. Okay, so in here you just click on Powerfactory applications. So as you click in, what happens is it will load the company website. Okay, so first what happens is it opens up the official DIgSILENT website, and once it opens, right, as you see, you will see information about the company, right? You will see Powerfactory applications, you will have plenty of product explanations. Okay, you'll have company, product, services, support, training, courses, careers, news, and downloads. Okay, and here you have the login, right? So as you see, if you want to navigate into company, you will see where the company is located. So you see everything about DIgSILENT, right? What is this software? What is it all about? So, the entire information is given. Similarly, in every tab, you get different information according to the topic, right? Now, our main duty is to download the software. So before that, we have to request, right? So now, move on to the product section. So first tab is the home, then you see company, then you see products. So navigate to product section. Under products, right, you will see plenty of options. Okay, in that option you see Powerfactory, stationware, monitoring systems, and in that you see the last option which you see as demo request. Okay, so click on demo request. So once you click on demo request, it opens up a new page, that is request a Powerfactory demo version. So DIgSILENT Powerfactory, right? So they generally call it as Powerfactory, right? It depends upon you. You are used to call DIgSILENT, it's DIgSILENT. When you call it Powerfactory, it's Powerfactory. So it's DIgSILENT Powerfactory, right? So as you move in, what happens is I will guide you step by step. Here, I want to inform one thing very, very clear. Okay, there is no demo version available for students. As you can see, for student license, I'm highlighting it. For student license, there is no demo version available. But for thesis license, I mean, please use our application form. Okay, so this application form I will guide you at the end. Before that, I will go on to the step-by-step process for requesting the demo version, which is for 30 days, right? So however, for commercial, research, and educational use, DIgSILENT provides a 30-day trial license. Now let's go how you will fill up the form, right? So first is the option. So first you select the category, right? You are commercial user or research or education. You select it, okay? Once you select it, you come down, you see your personal details. So here, as it says, please select your title. So Miss, Mr., Doctor, or other. Whatever you want, you select it. Whatever is your designation, you select it. Okay, your title. Then enter your first name, last name. Your first name, it's a mandatory one, as well as your last name, it is mandatory. Okay, and then you have to fill in your email address. Remember, you have to fill in your email address correctly, and it should be your official email address, not Gmail, Yahoo, or Rediff Mail or Outlook. No, it will not accept it until and unless it is your official working email. It will only accept that. Okay, for example, edu.ac ac.in, or depending upon your country, it might vary, right? So if it is an educational version, or if it is a company uh, email address, you key in that email address. Remember this. Okay, please note this. And you have the note as well, which is mentioned here. So official company, university, or institute email address, we will not respond. Remember, we will not respond to Yahoo, Hotmail, or other public email addresses. Okay, so that's why I'm multiple times repeating the same thing. So please do not use the public email addresses. Please use your official company, university, or institute email address. Okay, once you do that, then the next step is phone number for questions. So basically, you enter your phone number. Please put in your country code as well. Okay, if it accepts it, do it here writtenly, and if not, there is another option where you select the country. Then company or institute data, so where you're working, right? Company or institute, wherever you're working or wherever you're studying, please enter the company or institute name, and then select the category. All these are mandatory tabs, right? So category is nothing but you select, you are such as a grid operator, so I'll click on it. Grid operator or owner, regulator or ministry, consulting, equipment manufacturer, or research or education, or others. It's up to you. Okay, whatever category you belong to, you select it. And then another important thing that has to be filled is field of application. Whether you are in renewable power generation or conventional power generation, power transmission, power distribution, industrial systems, railway systems, or others, it is mandatory that you have to fill. Then you can choose the country that you belong to. Okay, so you select the country wherever you belong to. Then after that, you enter your postal code, city, and your address. Okay, postal code, city, and your address, and your comments. What is this in comment section? You mention why you need Powerfactory. For example, you can mention research work, project work, or educational purposes. It's up to you. So after you fill in all these, right? Once you key in all these things, then you have a privacy statement. What is this privacy statement says? You have a checkbox, so check it. We collect, save, and process your data to the extent that is necessary to process your inquiry and correspond with you. We therefore ask you to agree to use your data. We treat your personal information confidently and carefully. Okay, if you want, you can read more on the privacy policy, right? So you check in and then you submit, right? I hope the process is clear. And then after filling all the required details, accept the privacy statement and then click on submit. Right? Once you do it, after submitting the form, you will receive an email from DIgSILENT. Okay, usually within 1 or 2 working days, right? Then in that email, you will receive your username, password, and once you receive your username and password, here on the corner, you click on this, and on the corner you have, once you click on that, you will have web shop, then downloads, FAQ, contact, and login. So once you click on login, you will basically have the email address that you enter and the password, and you get to log in, right? After logging in, you go to the download section, right? You go to the download section where you can download the DIgSILENT Powerfactory. Then follow the installation guidelines provided by DIgSILENT. They may also send you a manual or instruction by email, right? Please follow that very, very carefully. During installation, simply follow the steps, then please go on next, and complete the installation, right? And always remember, you can see public information, brochures, flyers, and publications. And here you see download for registered users, and they will provide the logging and information. So you can download all of them. The brochures, you can download it now itself, but the other things, the entire software, you need to have a login and password. Okay, remember, please note that the 30-day trial period starts from the day you install the software, and after the 30 days are completed, you will need to purchase a paid license to continue using Powerfactory. Okay, that is mandatory, and this is completely from DIgSILENT Powerfactory that they provide you 30 days trial period. Okay, and I also informed that in the products I have to show you in the demo request how there will be an option that you can give me a second. So you have Thesis license, right? And there's an application form. I'm opening the application form. The application form looks like this. So this is the application form. You click on it, it will get downloaded. Okay, please fill out this request form, scan it along with your student ID and certificate of enrollment, and email all these documents as an attachment to mail@digsilent.de. Thank you. Okay, so this means DE is Germany, as everybody knows. So you have to fill in all these details from the applicant full name, student ID number, the home address, complete home address, university address, name of the institute, head of the institute, tutor, thesis title, all of these, and the description, and how many days you require you know uh, the license, and maximum number of nodes, right? So in the trial, and then whatever you need, what are the packages that you need, there's a complete information that you want. You can select it and you can sign, and student sign and tutor sign is necessary, so you do it and you can submit it. Right, this is the entire process of using the DIgSILENT demo version. It's completely free of cost because it's a trial version. And if you want to use more options and more than 30 days, you need to request them and you need to buy or purchase the software. Okay, so and this is very, very important. Again and again, I'm repeating. Please remember to use your official email addresses, right? And this is the official way to get the 30 days trial version of DIgSILENT Powerfactory. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel Beyond Horizons. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year 2026.